Here at eBay, we're reinventing the shopping experience for our buyers. This means changes to the way you list. So let's go through what you need to know. I'm Kit Glover and I'm Senior Director of Seller Experience here at eBay. Today I'm going to tell you about our new Shop by Product experience and how to get your listings on board. Each listing represents an item from one of you. There are often multiple listings for the same product, describing items from different sellers. These items can vary based on price, condition, and listing format, but in the end, they're all about the same product. For example, an unlocked iPhone 8 256GB in space grey is a product. There are over 90 different listings for this iPhone on eBay today, each representing one item from one seller. We're refocusing our search experience on products rather than listings, so buyers can more easily and quickly compare the full range of options available to them. This delivers increased conversion and ultimately more sales for you. As part of Shop by Product, we're introducing a new product-led search results page. This means buyers will see, for example, only one product result for the unlocked iPhone 8 instead of over 90 different listings. When a buyer selects a product, they'll reach a new product page, highlighting the full range available on eBay. These pages are powered by the eBay catalog. It's a library of product information that helps buyers and sellers reach a common understanding of what's for sale. It's built for you, so that you can quickly associate your listings with existing product details. In order for your inventory to show up on those new search result and product pages, we need you to match your listings to products in our catalog. When you select a match, we'll fill in the product details in your listing for you. All you need to do afterwards is add information specific to your item, such as its condition, its price, and delivery and returns information. For items with no match in our catalog, you'll soon be able to submit new products to be added to our catalog before creating your listing. Similarly, if one of our catalog entries is incomplete or inaccurate, you'll be able to submit corrections before adding your listing details. We're introducing this requirement progressively, category by category, to make sure we get this experience right for you. Click here to find out more about where we are on this journey and how to identify listings that require revisions. We're very excited about Shop by Product and we're looking forward to partnering with you to bring this new shopping experience to life for you and for your buyers. To get more tips and guidance from the eBay team, subscribe on our channel on YouTube and click on the bell icon to enable notifications. YouTube will let you know as soon as there are new videos available.